Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Nabil Ahmed and welcome to Life Information YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to find inspiration when you need it most. Whether you are a writer, an artist or just someone looking to be creative, we all have moments where we feel stuck and uninspired. Here are 5 tips to help you find inspiration. Tip number 1. Change your environment. Sometimes a simple change of scenery can do wonders of your creativity. If you will be sitting in a same spot for an hour, try going for a walk, sitting in different room, or even going for a coffee shop or park. Seeing new sights and hearing new sounds can spark new ideas and help you break out of your creative run. Tip number 2. Try something new. If you've been doing same thing over and over again, it's easy to fall into a creative slump. Try something new. Whether it's a new hobby, a new recipe, or a new activity, can help you see things from different perspectives and give you fresh inspiration. Tip number 3. Collaborate with others. Working with other creative people can be a great way to find inspiration. Brainstorming ideas, bouncing ideas off each other, and getting feedback can help you see your work in a new light and give you new ideas to work with. Tip number 4. Read or watch something inspiring. Sometimes all it takes is seeing or reading something that inspires you to get your creative juices flowing. Whether it's a book, a movie, or a piece of art, find something that speaks to you and use it as a jumping off point for your own work. Tip number 5. Take a break. Sometimes pushing yourself too hard can actually stifle your creativity. Take some time to relax, recharge, and come back to your work with a fresh perspective. That's all today in this video. We hope these tips have been helpful for finding inspiration when you need it most. Let us know in the comments which tip was your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.